Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Heavy Love on violin. First, let's get familiar with the song's structure and overall feel. We'll start by identifying the key signature and the approximate tempo, which are crucial for setting up your practice. Then, we'll break down the main melodic lines into manageable sections, focusing on the core notes and rhythms. Finally, we'll discuss the specific bowing patterns that give this piece its unique character and emotional resonance. This foundational work will prepare you for more advanced techniques. Now, let's dive into some essential techniques for Heavy Love. Achieving clear intonation is paramount, so pay close attention to your finger placement on the fingerboard. Even a slight adjustment can make a big difference. Next, we'll explore how to develop a consistent and expressive vibrato, which adds warmth and depth to the sustained notes. Finally, mastering smooth string crossings is key for maintaining a fluid sound throughout the piece, especially during faster passages. Practice these elements slowly for best results. To truly bring Heavy Love to life, we need to focus on expression. Experiment with varying your dynamics, moving from soft, delicate passages to more powerful, resonant sections. This contrast will add significant emotional impact to your performance. Consider incorporating subtle rubato, allowing for slight fluctuations in tempo to enhance the musical phrasing without losing the beat. Most importantly, listen intently to the original recording. Pay attention to the nuances and overall mood to capture the song's authentic feel in your own playing. For effective practice, always start slowly with a metronome to ensure accuracy in rhythm and intonation. Gradually increase the tempo as you become more comfortable. Recording yourself is an invaluable tool. It allows you to objectively hear your playing and pinpoint areas that need more attention. Remember, consistent practice yields the best results. And hey, while you're perfecting your craft, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals. Finally, performing for others, even just friends, builds confidence and helps you prepare for any future performances.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.